Hey, we discovered this gem in Kumalarang. Who would have thought there's something like this in Zamboanga del Sur? Do you know the name of this place? Come, let us discover it together. Wag kayo'y tubig karon kay ga-refill pa sila. Gina-fill pa nila og water. But it looks so nice. Here is a spot for an overnight stay. And they also have a function hall that can accommodate around maybe almost 100 people or even more.
For 20 people.
And they have a
so
variety
nice.
of rooms that can accommodate a group of 20 bucks.
For 20 people.
That only costs, I think it's not that expensive. And there is also another family room. This room is excellent. So nice. They call this room Barkadahan room.
Ooh.
Again, it can accommodate around 20 people.
Hey.
Nice, nice, nice.